test. I plan on going back and checking this out and seeing whether anything interesting or, or uninteresting, who the heck knows, happened anyway. And like I said, this is kind of like just a test. So we'll find out here what's happening by creating a virtual machine online while I'm doing it. So this is live. I'm going to create a virtual machine live. And let's go template Linux 2.6. Well, of course it's going to be a Linux box. What else is it going to be? Good grief. Oh, by the way, I probably should have told you that this is a piece of software called AQEMU. It's a graphical interface to QEMU, the virtual machine manager in the Linux world. Not to be confused with Virt Manager, which is also another virtual machine manager, which happens to be an interface to QEMU, KVM. But I digress. Next, okay, KVM, that's what we're going to use, because this host is going to be like an x86 type host. There we go. And I'm not going to call it Linux 2.6. I'm going to call it Fluffy Bunny. Why? I don't know. All right, next size. We're going to make a 20 gigabyte hard drive for this, and we're going to use the network connection of the host. There we go. Finish. Except it's not finished. There's Fluffy Bunny. My machine Fluffy Bunny exists, but I need media. I need to be able to boot up off of something to install it. So I'm going to say CD DVD ROM, and I'm going to go with this. Do I still have that CentOS drive? There's the Debian 9. I must still have that in there, right? Debian 9 DVD ISO. There, because Debian just released a DVD 9. Okay, and I'm going to say apply, and let's go over to let me see, media devices. Is that my properties? No. Let me see. Go back up. See, you can tell this is live because I haven't prepared it. I'm not doing any editing. There we go. Boot off the CD-ROM. That's actually what I wanted to do. Boot up off the CD-ROM, and let's say that I actually want a I don't know, a gigabyte of memory for this thing. Okay, I'm going to do a gigabyte, and we're going to do what for graphics default? I don't know, Visa 2.0. All right, let's go standard VGA. Just because. I don't have a good reason, just because. Let's do this, okay? Or I could just say default, whatever the default is. Let's find out. Let's just do that. Apply. All right, and now, I'm going back up to Fluffy Bunny over here, and I'm going to hit right-click on Fluffy Bunny and start. And what is going to happen? Oh my goodness, look at that. A machine starts up. So I'm going to go graphical install, or, I could just run it. But I'm going to do a graphical install and hit enter. And presumably some kind of magic will happen here. Some kind of magic. There we go. The machine is booting. Well, actually, the machine is firing up. Let's stretch it out a little bit bigger there, so we got a bigger screen. And I'm going to say English. Yes, I want to English. United States English. That's the keyboard I'm going to use. Because the U.S. rules things even up here in Canada. What can I say as far as the language of technology works? All right, so we're loading the components from the CD-ROM drive, and I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea if any of you are sitting out there listening. It doesn't really matter, but there you go. Attempting IPv6 configuration. Configuring the network with DHCP. Network configuration has succeeded. What are we going to call this drive? Well, since I actually called the machine, I'm going to call it Fluffy Bunny, okay? Fluffy Bunny. That is my host name, Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Continue. The domain, I'm not going to do a domain. It doesn't matter. Configure the network. All right, here we go. All right, the root password. Super secret. See, I'm showing you this because this is just a virtual machine and nobody will ever see it, but super secret. There we go. Continue. You probably don't want to pick a password that other people are just going to know. So if you're doing this online, like I'm doing at the moment, and you're creating a password, you probably don't want to tell the entire world what your password is. But anyway, super secret. That's my super secret password. Full name of the new user, Marcel Gagne. That's me. I'm the user. Username for the account, yeah, Marcel. Marcel works. That works for good. A password. You know what? Super secret. I'm not going to do this. For the record, this is not my real password, which is, of course, exactly the sort of thing the sort of person would say to make you think that it wasn't their real password, but it actually isn't. Show password and clear. Has to be the same password twice. Continue. Configure the clock. Very good. Getting the date and time from network time server. Excellent. Eastern. Yes, I'm in the Eastern time zone. Detect disks. And I'm going to say, just use the entire disk. Guided use entire disk. Just do it. Just do it. All files in one partition. Yeah, I'm just going to do that because I'm trying to do this, as easy as possible. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk? Absolutely. Go out there, write the changes? Absolutely. I am ready. Go and do that thing. Go and do that thing, installing the base system. Oh, this is so exciting. Extracting libc6 core utils, blah, 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 blah. Core packages. Oh, installing the base system. I am so excited. I am so excited. And, actually, it depends on what you're installing or how big the distribution that you've decided to go with is in terms of how long this sort of thing actually takes. It can take, it can take an awfully long time, or it can happen very, very quickly if you've got, a small distribution with a very small window manager, for instance. If I remember correctly, the Debian 9 distribution that I installed has KDE 5, aka Plasma, or KDE Plasma, if you will. So it's fairly big, but at the moment we're doing the base system. This seems to be happening fairly quickly, but it may just be setting me up for what's that word? Um, trying to make me all nice and comfy, so that I think that it's going to go fast. When in fact it will take a million years. Let's go back to AQEMU so you can see what's happening. See, the machine is there. Info, that's my machine, the machine that's running, the display that's configured on this thing, network config. It's all happening in the background there. There we go. Configure the package manager. Do you wish to? No, I don't want to scan. So continue. Use the network mirror. Just sure, why not? What the heck? Because I want to be nice, right? I'll say, I'm actually in Canada, so if I'm going to do a mirror, I should probably use one in Canada. Although at the moment, frankly, it looks like I've got my private internet access is configured so that it looks like I'm coming from some other place. I don't know. Let's pick this one here. Number 2. We'll pick number 2 just for fun. Continue. I don't have a proxy, so continue. Scanning the mirror, configuring apt, retrieving 6 of 7. This may actually take a little bit longer than we actually wanted to. So while it's doing that, we could take a look at my own system here, and I can go into applications. And do I have any games in here? I don't know. Let's find out. Do I have any games? I have some arcade games. Run old DOS applications. I've got Steam. I'm not going to play any games on Steam at the moment. I've got Minecraft loaded on here. How about arcade games? Land on the Moon. Pac-Man for console. That sounds like fun. Board games. Oh, that's right. I did a collection of just text-only type games. I'll Riot Solitaire. Oh, we could fire up Solitaire. Let me see. There's another ace up there. Lucky me. 4-4. That's it. That's all I can do. You'd think that there would be something else that I could do on that, but no. Oh, there we go. There's a 3. Playing solid, select and install software. This might actually take a while. I don't know if I'm actually going to wait around for this whole thing because this is, as I already pointed out, just a test. But of course, some of you are sitting there going, dude, there's a 2. Put the 2 up there. For God's sakes, man, put the 2. What do you think you're doing? All right. Don't get pushy, for goodness sakes. Turn the card over. There's a 2 of clubs. We can put the 2 of clubs down here. There's a 5. Can't really do it. Oh, we can move the king over here. That's right. I almost forgot that you can do that sort of thing. All right, move the king over. 8. Is there a 9? No, there's no 9. 2. Do I have a dart? No, can't do that one. 10. Oh, there we go. 10. And any 9s? Nope, no 9s. 7 of diamonds. Oh, yes, I can do. Oh, we're back. Debian 9. The system anonymously supplies configuring popularity. Just can be modified. Sure, why not? I don't care. Go ahead, do it. Select and install software. It's still, all right. So Debian environment. Oh, actually, it's got everything. So I want an SSH server, print server. I don't need a web server. I'll do KDE. Let's go to KDE. Apparently, I had everything in this distribution. So there we go. Select and install the software. So we're gonna go with KDE, 68 to 79. Let me see. Let's go back to the game here. What are we doing? Let me see. Queen, can't do anything with that. 3, can't do anything with that. Jack. No. 9. Oh, yes. Which means we can move the 8 over here. This is very, very exciting. Very exciting. Can I stretch that window up a little bit there? Yeah, it just makes it bigger, that's all. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7. How we doing? Jack. Is there anything else I can do here? Nope, that's it. All right. 5. Nope. Queen, nope. 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 7. Aha. 7. I can do the 7. 9. Can I do that? Nope. Can't do anything with that. King. That would be really useful if I had a black king down there, but I don't. Oh, yes. We have another ace. We have another ace. 3. Can I do anything with the 3? Nope. No, can't do anything with the 3. How about the 10? How about the 10? Can I do anything with the 10? I can't do anything with the 10. How about the 6? Yes, yes. Hurrah, hurrah. The world is okay, never mind the world. Oh, there we go. There's 9. And of course we get the red 8 over here. Very, very exciting, very exciting. But you know, it doesn't get us very far. All right. How about that 7? No, it doesn't get us very far. How about that? Oh, yes, yes, we have a red 6. Did I have a black 5 there somewhere? Let's turn it back over. Red 5. Oops, yep, I can do something with red 5, and I can do the black 4, and now I've got this 3 here. If I had an ace of clubs, that would be like kind of awesome, but I don't have an ace of clubs. I don't have an ace of clubs at all anywhere in here. All right, how about that 8? Nope, can't do anything with that. How about that 2? Yes, we can put the 2 up there now. Hurrah! Nope, can't do anything with that 8. How about that queen? Can't do anything with the queen. Can I do anything with the 3? Yes, I can do something with the 3, although I can put the 3 up there. So, you know, 2 clubs, can't do anything with that, blah, blah. Can't do anything with that because I don't have anything to do. The 5. Can I do anything with that 5? No, it doesn't look like I can do anything with that 5. How about that queen? Nope. How about the 4? Oh, yeah, I can put the 4 of hearts there. The 4 of hearts. He bakes some tarts. No, sorry, that was the queen of hearts. Let me see. The 9. The 9. Nope. The king. I can't do anything with the darn king either. I think you 10. Nope. Nope. Can't do anything with that. 7. It's looking bad here, folks. It's looking bad. There's the 8. Can't do anything with that. I think there's a 5 I can do something with here, but it's just looking really bad. It's looking. Oh, there's the 5. I can put the 5 of hearts up there. I don't have a 6 of hearts. I'm kind of doomed. It's over. It's over. That's it. The game is over. Yep. See, I can't flip it over. The game's over. That's it. We're done. It's over. It's finished. And the Debian install has not finished yet. You know, you're going to have to believe me. It actually does finish eventually, but we'll just close Klondike Solitaire. And since this was only a test, I'm going to cancel it right now and see how this worked out. If you were listening for some strange reason that I can't possibly imagine, do let me know whether the sound quality is any good, whether you could actually hear me properly, whether the screen looks fine, you know, that sort of thing. And maybe we'll do something real here in terms of, you know, Linux and open source software on Twitch, which, you know, is what we're doing. Which is which on Twitch? This Twitch, that Twitch. Anyway, that's it. I'm done. I'm going to close now. And stop screaming. Stop streaming, not screen, streaming.